here at UW-Madison. I'm here with my friend Mike Randall to talk about this year's upcoming science expeditions. It's an amazing opportunity to learn all about the science done here on campus. So Mike, what can you tell us about science expeditions this year? Mike?
Hi, Heidi. Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, yep, I can hear you. Can't see you. Let's just keep rolling as long as I can hear you. All right. So Mike, what can you tell us about this year's science expeditions?
UW-Madison Science Expeditions is the annual campus-wide science open house that connects you to UW people and places.
Can you tell me more? What kind of science can people explore?
Well, Heidi, you can interact with researchers, visit outdoor science venues across campus, enjoy recorded and live science spectacular shows, and try your hand at dozens of virtual exploration stations. Whoa!
So is there a cost to attend?
All events are free and open to the public.
Okay. What kind of live activities can we look forward to?
We have a live YouTube channel streaming over 15 events, such as getting your hands wet with home science experiments, meeting live marmosets, seeing real human brains, exploring shipwrecks in the Great Lakes, and watching an incredible physics show.
Now, I've heard that there were some pre-recorded events. Is that correct?
Yes, pre-recorded activities and tours by the Great Lakes Bioenergy Research Center and the Wisconsin Science Museum, and dozens of hands-on science activities using simple household materials.
Okay. Can you tell me more about the activities that are actually on campus at UW-Madison?
There's a universe of things to explore. You could go to the Lakeshore Nature Preserve to explore the rock wall at the entrance to Picnic Point, or grow your birding skills with Beyond Backyard Birding. Space Place has created a self-guided tour of the planets by biking a scale model of our solar system. And at the UW-Madison Arboretum, you can take a walk, explore, and make observations while looking and listening for signs of spring.
Great. Is there anything else that you'd like to share, Mike?
Yes, the UW-Madison Engineering Expo is happening concurrently. You can explore their pre-recorded videos starting on Friday, April 9th.
Not that kind of engineer.
What?
That is so exciting. Thanks for sharing all about this year's 19th annual Science Expeditions. Now, where can people go to find out more information?
For more information, please go to the Science Expeditions website. We'll give you the link at the end of this interview.
Great. Great. Oh, hey, I think I can see you. I think I could. Mike, is that you? What is going on?
This has been fun. Oh gosh, look at the time. Gotta go.
Mm.